All right. Good afternoon, traders. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Welcome out to the Trade Spoon Live Trading Room, Stocks and Options Closing Bell. My name is Scott. I am your host. I am the head trading coach here at Trade Spoon, and I am happy to be here with you. Good afternoon, Fred. Good to see you. Good. Hello, LK. Hello, John, my friend. Good to see you, sir. Wonderful Wednesday. Dennis says, I agree. Hi, Phil. Thank you. I appreciate it. Good afternoon to you, Faust. And hi, Koo. Glad to have everybody here. Market continues to be the market. That's something that we do know. Here's a little bit of information about me. It's light. Man, I keep thinking we're going to find a floor, find something, find some stability. We seem to have found a floor and some stability. We're well off the lows. It's just nobody's going to decide here, right? Where is Angelique? I haven't seen her. If she's listening to the recording, hi, Angelique. I mark you for an A every single day. I've been trading for a while. I've been teaching for a while. That's a little bit of me. Here's the disclosures. Trading can be risky, options especially. Be careful out there. Know what you're doing. All right, let's talk about things. So we started bearish, then we got more bearish. So that's not great. The economic news, I'm gonna jump around a little bit. Monday we had nothing. Yesterday we had some, nothing really. Foreign trade balance, consumer credit, not much there. Wholesale inventories were up a little bit, a little more than even expected. Tomorrow, jobless claims. Friday we have some CPI, so we'll see what those inflationary numbers look like, if there's any improvement, if things are getting any better, any mo better. But not much news, so I'm not sure what was the drop halfway through the day. Did anyone notice? Like all of a sudden it was like right around lunchtime everything was okay, and then boom, we just gave it all back, lost 1%. So I'm not sure exactly what that is. But I guess we'll see. Oil up 2%, 2.25% actually. Gold slightly up, silver slightly down. So mixed overall. Energy has continued to be the strongest place. Program trading, John says, maybe so. Okay. I don't really see fast fashion sales take off. Okay, I don't see much in the news, really. Treasury yields climb. Tesla races higher on battery deal. That's really about it. Chip makers are not doing good. Let's jump there for a minute. Let's see. So communication services is doing okay, actually. You've got, let me get rid of this. You've got Google, Facebook, Netflix, all doing all right. Tesla, all right. You have literally like 2 energy stocks, and other than that, nothing. Mostly just a red day. Materials, utilities, industrials seem to be the worst. Chips are pretty bad. Yeah, it's not a great day out there today. Let's look at the model and how it is seeing things now. Here's the SPY. So the model is still feeling more bullish than not, saying that this is the selling cycle and that we're going to just maybe bounce up out of that. Am I still moderately bearish? Yes. Yes, I am. About the same. I'm actually about a -2.5, -2, -2.5 in that area. Slightly, but not a lot. A little bit of improvement, and now just kind of sitting again. But the model looks good. The model says, "Hey, maybe we've got some ground to stand on now," and we'll see what comes of that. QQQ is feeling a little bit more bullish. You can see the same thing. We'll look at a chart in just a minute, but this is the selling cycle. We will actually see that going on in regards to the price charts as well, where it's like, okay, our stochastics has rolled over. This is the selling, but the sellers aren't doing anything with it. So, okay, well, let's see. Maybe. Here is the IWM. Also bullish, same kind of a projection. Lastly, but not necessarily leastly, DIA also bullish. I mean, the model sees a nice little bump, right? A nice little bump. There's definitely something to that. So there you go. Okay. Tell me this. I'm curious because I haven't spoken with him, but what's Vlad see? Is he still slightly bullish in the short term, more bearish in the long term, or what is Vlad seeing exactly? Yes to both. Okay. All right. Fair enough. Fair enough. All right. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Rally in a bear market, Vlad says. Well, I mean, we definitely had a rally, not a lot of rally necessarily, though, right? So, there's that. Um, yeah, let's keep going. Okay. Here's the seasonal chart. We're not putting a lot of credence into it, but just kind of getting a sense of what it shows. And we already did the heat map today. Let's get a quiz. There it is, right? So you can see here is our consolidation. Here is our breakout, tested high, which is higher than the previous high. The selling cycle has rolled. It's coming down. We don't know how far, but we do know it hasn't done much. Could it come down a little bit further? Sure. I don't think it's going to drop back below 400 at this point. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think if you agree. But I do. I think that it's seems to be stabilizing, anyways. All right. Let's get a quiz going. Fred says he's already feeling it going C. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's take a look. All right. Yeah. So here it is. I'm gonna make it hard for the C's today, Fred. A, we break back up to the upside. B, we finish in this range. C, we close at lows for the day. 410, 70 by 411, 60. So about 90 cents of range. 90 cents of range. So give me your thoughts. Where's all the answers? Dennis is an A. LK is a B. Fred is a C. Give it to me. What's your answers? John's a C. Where's my peeps at? Where does Stella see it? Fred wants to know. Let's take a look. Let's go. Where am I? Oh, yeah. I'm going to go through some sector rotation. SPY. Here we go. Oh, Stella says 411.56. I think I said 411.60. So Stella's a B. Yeah, Stella's a B. Okay. I'm not getting all my answers today. Yeah. All right. Well, let's keep going. Let's see what's going on. Looks like the buyers are trying to come in. Where's my only A? Is Dennis, I think. Fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, let's keep going. All right, back to 6 months, back to the VIX. I don't know what's going on. I have a little bit of sluggishness in my system today. Yeah. Do we have any holdings Let's see. We still have our double butterfly, and some of you maybe still have a little bit of a natural gas. We had a UNG trade, which we said we were going to try to be patient with. It made a little bit of a bump. If you didn't sell it yesterday, I hope you at least tightened your stop. But yeah, when it that our tendency when we see something hit the same 2 days in a row, especially when it's the prior level. So I shut mine down. Hopefully, if you were in it, you're no longer in it. And good to go forward. So okay, all right. Any questions? Let me know. But that was it. That one's there. And I would possibly think about another trade here if it sets up again. Actually, the sold earlier and then got back in. Ooh, I don't know about the getting back in. Yeah, that could be harder, huh? Okay, let's go look at our double butterfly for anyone who's in that one. I said I'm just going to kind of let it go. If it drops, especially, I'm going to just sit with it through this week into next week. So here we are, just kind of in the same range that we've been in, right? It hasn't done much of anything. Sideways is what we've been expecting. Okay, let's go take a look at it. Get it pulled up. So it's down today. SPY. Let's see. Yeah, got it. So we are at 410. So we're actually kind of in the middle of this thing where we would like to see it either drop or rise from here. So I want it to see either go down 15 or up 15 between now and next week, right? Fix the date. Oh yeah, you're right. So it's actually a little better here right now. Yeah, that looks just fine actually. Up's better than down, but either one is fine. Yeah. As time ticks, it will start to sink in the middle and open on the edges. So it'll be interesting to see what happens with this over the next little bit. Yeah, okay. All right, we'll see what happens with that one. This worsens as time goes by. Close now. Not necessarily. If it pops up a little bit like the model says, then this thing will do better out here, or if it drops. So as you look at it, I mean, you know, we're in this range here, but I think it's more likely to either pop up or pop back down, either one of which, right? By this date, we want it either up here or down here, and we really don't care which one, right? So yeah, either one of those is fine. Yeah, we just need to be a little patient. That's it. If we're a little patient, we'll be fine. So, okay, what's next? Let's keep going. Let's get to the VIX and then we'll get to the watch list and we'll just kind of see. So, did you put new trades on today? And if so, were they bullish trades or were they bearish trades? That's the question. Yeah, which one? None. Yeah, it's kind of tough, right? To be thinking, which way do we want to trade when there's not really either. Managing, John said. Bullish, Robert said. Sold credit spread on FXI today. Credit put spread. Got it. Got it. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's go through the watch list. Is Vlad's trading activity level down, or is he still trading fairly regularly? Down. Okay. I would assume, but not quite sure. Okay, let's talk about it. AA. I mean, like a lot of things, just kind of grinding it out sideways, right? There's just not much for us to do with it there, unfortunately, right now. So we're just kind of stuck watching and waiting. Vlad slowing down here, suggesting if you are beginning to keep 50% in cash. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. All right. Okay, let's keep looking. Apple. Apple looked like it was trying to turn, just not giving us much of anything now, right? Um, yeah, I mean, there's just as far as that goes, it's yeah, there's just not much to do but see. Hey, Thomas, glad you could make it. Am I trading more? No, no, not at all. Not at all. Yeah, my trading is down as well. No, trading is down as well. I'm hopeful though. Yeah, I'm definitely hopeful. ADI. ADI actually looks pretty good to me. Um, the that uh, has broken out of this old channel, made a new high. The sellers are coming in, and it's just it's given us plenty of time, plenty of the sellers aren't doing much, and so it leaves us in that situation where if it starts to turn from here, we're good to go. Can we look at crowd? Definitely, we can look at crowd. Yeah, definitely. Okay, let's see. Okay. So ADM, Archer Daniels, I actually think Archer Daniels looks okay from here. Like it's showing us something. Yeah, right? Okay. I would put Archer Daniels on my short list. I think I might even look at that today. AMD looks pretty good still. So both AMD and ADI look pretty good. Yeah. Amazon. So honestly, as much as we complain about the market, I want you to see like how many things we've already seen in here that look like they're starting to show, right? Um, they're showing us the potential that we're hoping to find, which is that we have broken out, right? We've broken the consolidation here, tested new highs. We're coming down. We could come all the way back down to here, and I'd still think higher low and ready to go when it turns. I like Amazon. I like AMD. I like ADI. I like Apple. I mean, all of these so far are right on point with what they should be, right? Okay. Okay. Let's keep going. AXP. I still think AXP looks good. There's not a lot of selling pressure right now. BAC looks good, right? There's really no sign of sellers here. Okay, what's next? Caterpillar just won't stop. Look at that. That just looks strong right there, right? That just looks nice and strong. COP still looks strong. DBC still looks strong. Okay, let's go to John Deere. You guys tell me what you think. Why so strong with rising interest rates on Caterpillar? That's a good question, man. That's a good question. I'm not sure what's causing Caterpillar to be so strong. Yeah. I was a little worried. I still kind of feel like Deere is in its consolidation, and I don't think it looks great. I think I like Caterpillar better, but I would want to see uh, uh, a pullback on Deere rather than looking at Caterpillar. Okay. DIA looks fine. Honestly, I like it. I like what we're seeing here. If this is the selling pressure, where are the sellers? Right? Where are the sellers? Yeah. Facebook. Okay, let's take a look at, why is this going so slowly? Can't even erase this right now. Erase, there we go. Facebook, kind of flat, not much there. Yeah, really not much in that at all for us right now. Okay, FCX. I like FCX. I would definitely trade FCX on a pullback. Right, definitely trade that on a pullback. Gold, I don't like that much. IWM, IWM looks okay actually. Right? I'm okay with that. Let's pick one and trade it. Ooh, I don't know. Maybe. Right? Maybe. Okay, let's go. Maybe we will. ADM is safe. Jets. Jets is close. Marvell, no. Microsoft still looks pretty good. Neo needs a pullback. Nikola looks okay. Let's see. What else? Okay, let's keep going. Nikola, not yet, right? Nvidia looks okay. So here's the thing is a lot of these look very, very similar, and that is they look pretty good other than the fact that we're not convinced that they've had their final pullbacks. Test exactly the same pattern, right? These are all exactly the same patterns. That's the problem. Is they're they're all looking almost completely identical, right? Okay, let's keep going. UNG is down. UNH. Actually, UNH, other than the fact that it's off for the day, gave a pretty good signal the last couple of days. And we're not all the way back, but we're pretty close to back to where we were on Monday's signal when we first got that trade we were thinking about, right? So let's see. Buy signal on Tesla today. So Tesla has turned, but it hasn't hooked all the way yet. I would say, yeah, you could take that as a signal. Yeah, I think we could. Okay. UNH was a signal the other day. VIX, XLP, no. XLU, no. XOM is strong. Let's take a look at Tesla. If we were to do some kind of a spread trade on this. Yeah, I don't know. Let's take a look and see. Okay. Yeah, I think there's a number of buy signals setting up. I think that most of these are waiting for a little bit more confirmation. But let's go ahead and see if we were to do an aggressive trade on Tesla, what that would look like for us. Did you guys pull the trigger this morning on anything with Vlad? Any new trades? Nothing new. Okay. More of the same, huh? Yeah, I get it. Well, let's build this and see what we think. Vlad said FXI will outperform the SPY. Yeah, I could see that. Let's go to July's. Um, let's go to July's. And let's do a bull call spread. I'm thinking 700 by 725 or so, to be honest with you. Something like this, perhaps. Let's see. Hmm. Yeah. If we were wrong, where would we put it? Stop loss. Yeah, I think 695, right? So we've got to give it a little bit of room. Okay. All right. 695. Yeah, that's kind of, maybe we ought to do 675 by 700. That's the problem with Tesla is building these big old spreads. 695. I'm going to do one contract. And you can see the risk is now, what would we think to the upside? I think it could be back up here near 900. 6, okay. Yeah, that's not terrible actually. Yeah. What do you guys think? Are we into putting on a new trade today, or are we thinking, nah, we're not sure if this is right or not? The ratio is there. The ratio is there. Let's see what the model thinks. Let's see what the model thinks. John says pass. Yeah, I still feel like there's one leg left. Let's just see what we get for there. Well, actually, the model likes it. The model likes it. I'm going to go for it. Let me see what this is going for live. I think I'm probably pretty close. July 15, 675 by 700, 1535. 200 to 700. Let's do it. Okay. I got it, but it's not going here. All right, there we go. Well, I mean, uh that's really about it. Uh I think this market is close to a breakout, but we are just not there yet, right? So I guess we will see what happens with it. Let's go see who wins the gold medal. Just one of those lulls. I feel a little disconnected from everybody, only meeting twice a week, but we're going to keep figuring it out together. And oh, look at that. It broke out for a little bit and then fell right back in. So bees, congratulations. You won yourselves a nice shiny gold medal. Everybody else, try harder next time. 1535. I got the fill on. I'm not sure why it's not going now. So, all right. Well, I guess we'll just cut a little early today. I will be back with you on Friday in the morning. I hope you can join me then. And be careful, be patient, and I will see you soon. As always, happy trading.